Hello, beautiful people and friends on the internet. How are you guys doing? So, today we will be um, playing again Sunday City. And unfortunately, guys, I will be more speaking on my local language for my Filipino viewers. And I'll try my best to kind of do Taglish, like a combination of both. But for now, um, I I've decided to like use my local language for this video. Um, by the way, I also removed the sounds of this game, so you'll be mostly hearing my voice, my cuentos, my stories, because there's one record that I was given a copyright because of the music, the songs, and whatnot. So yeah, I still believe I was able to put it in my uh, channel, but it was copyrighted. So I'll be trying to remove the sounds, and we'll see if it will still be copyrighted. But I believe not. So yeah, I just wanted you to know that. And um, I was just also worried that you guys will be bored. So, yeah. Again, here we go. I'll be switching now to my local language. So, hello sa mga kababayan ko and sa mga nanonood and supporting me. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa inyo. So, ngayon, natutuwa ako kasi nakapag-invest ako sa uh, sarili ko dito sa game dahil nga sa sobrang paglalaro and all, the hard works na ginawa ko para dito. And as you can see, ito na yung character ko. Medyo meron tayong pagbabago. So, kung makikita nyo sa style, dalawa na yung character ko. Well, matagal ko na rin namang ininvest tong character, pero I was able to get the different what do you call, yung style ng character na to. So, ayun, ito hindi ko pa na buy kasi parang hindi ko bet yung pinaka last niyang uh, style. So, ayun, and for this naman, I actually like yung mga other characters of the girls, but medyo informal lang, parang super casual for me. Actually, itong medyo chinita dito, medyo Asian looking. Gusto ko sana to, is it reflects me more as an Asian. Pero ang hindi ko kinagusto dito is sa lahat ng styles niya, super casual talaga. Like, I don't know, I just don't feel it. Parang walang medyo professional looking, and so far sa character na to, where I'm using, meron kasi siyang, ayun o, look. Meron siyang like very formal attire that I really like. So, ayun, dun ako nag-stick, and ito yung ginamit kong character. But I really like the Asian sana. It's, gonna reflect me more as an Asian. And, yun, nakapag-invest din pala ako ng bagong car. So, ito yung latest kong mga car that I owned. Of course, I have the old one. Yung talagang unang-una ko. Kaso nababagalan talaga ako. I actually searched if bibilis ba siya once you upgraded the car in the other styles it has. So, ayun, tinry ko hanggang dito. Kasi dito, diamond na yung kailangan para mapili siya. And yeah, it's really artistic, pero Ayun, so far ito yung pinaka-best na gusto kong kulay niya. Pero ang pula kasi yung pinaka-last ito, oh, may papulis. Pero, ayun, parang FBI pala tayo nito or parang secret agent, char. Ayun, pero unfortunately, nung binili ko to, parang hindi nagbago yung speed niya that much. I would say ano ba yung tawag dun? Basta yung kapag liliko-liko ka, ganyan. I forgot yung tawag, yung term. Acceleration ba yung tawag sa ganun? Um, Medyo umokay siya for some reason. Pero yung speed niya talaga hindi ko masyadong bet. So, nag-try ako nung ito. This is under rare pa din. Pero ito yung so much kaya ko, like afford ko to buy. Um, so far okay siya. Like I like the handling. I like the acceleration. I like yung speed niya, mas mabilis siya. And since nga maliit siya, kaya niyang sumikot-sikot kung saan. So even though it's rare, meron kasi akong thinking na kapag nasa rare siya, mas mabagal. Kapag pumunta ka ng epic na and going to the legendary, dun na mas bibilis yung car mo. So, even though it's in a rare side, I I experienced na bumilis din talaga yung ano ko, yung car ko. And dahil, I don't know, baka dahil maliit siya or whatnot. Kaya, it seems mabilis. Pero, promise, mas mabilis siya compare dito sa una kong binili. And yeah, I guess I'll keep on upgrading this. But right now, I have something else na gagamitin din sa diamond. Kaya I'm keeping my diamonds open. And ayun, pero sobrang gusto kong makuha to. Makukuha mo kasi siya sa casino. I really like this car so much. Like, it's so classy. Papalitan ko lang siya ng itim. Masaya na ako. That's the best um kumbaga, color that I really like for this car. Ito yung target na isa sa mga gusto kong makuha sa Epic. And then, for the Legendary, sa Legendary medyo wala akong gusto. Maybe this would be okay para maiba. Pero, I don't know. Maybe this. Mostly kasi sa Legendary, puro ano eh. Puro sports car na talaga. And for sure, this one is like so fast. That's for sure. Pero I'm not a fan of like sports car. Mas gugustuhin ko pa yung ganito, yung parang, ano ba tawag sa ganito, muscle car? Basta yung mga parang medyo premium looking ganyan. Pero sports car is not really my thing. This one, medyo, medyo sporty-ish yung looking niya. Pero parang hindi, I don't know, parang hindi siya ganun ka like, uh, sporty-ish looking. Parang very simple siya. Ayun, compared to this, daming kurba, daming ganyan. Again, it's my own preference. Hindi ko masyadong bet talaga. Pero, we'll see. Matagal ko pa naman makukuha to for sure. But, I am, not was. I am aiming sa ganitong, ito okay din to, parang Mustang looking, no? Pero parang mas bet ko to. For the Epic, for the Epic. Kasi dalawa na yung rare car ko eh. So, ayun. Anyway, enough with the cars. Dito siya makukuha, oh, ito. Pero malas tayo. Everyday pala, may free yun. So, nagbabaka sakali na baka makuha ko. Tapos, what else? Ayun, ngayon, kakatapos ko lang pala maubos yung tokens ko or yung chip na yung blue for the casino. Ayun. Kaya magta-task tayo, mag-quest muna tayo ng daily job. And by the way, guys, I'm so happy kasi there's a new update for this Sunday City game and they were able to give like ads yung mga tulad nito. Pwede kang bumalik 3 times for the ad, tapos makakuha ka ng pet token or yan, ganyan. So, mas mapapadali ka ng makakuha ng mga pets mo. Kasi before, talagang nag-farm ako ng sobra. Kasi, yun, you will be only given 2 days to complete a certain level. And sobrang hirap niya kasi ang only way para makakuha ka ng pet tokens is para mag-casino. And sometimes, syempre, hindi naman laging may casino tayo, ay may tokens tayo. So, hindi tayo makapag-casino. So, hindi tayo makakapag um, level up. So, and it's only 2 days given for you. And I think, depende sa, depende sa pag-push mo sa sarili mo. Pero, no matter how you push, kung wala ka namang tokens, wala ring kwenta. So, ayun, and ako parang I don't want honestly to spend a lot, like my money talaga for a game kasi hindi naman tayo capable. Um, Kaya as much as I can, talagang nagpapa-level ako on how I could just playing in the game itself. But sooner or later, I also wanted um, to give my thank you to the developer of the game and to support them by buying stuff for them. Pero right now, I still can't. So, yung ambag ko, kumbaga, is more of yung talagang paglalaro ng more of my time with the game itself. Yeah, so I'm not capable enough to support the developer yet. Sorry, guys, but I will try my best. So that's the reason why you have to subscribe and like my channel. Char, just kidding, y'all. But yeah, I really gonna appreciate your likes and subscribes. Um, and for sure, this would help um for both parties, for me and of course for the game that I'm gonna be uh playing. I'm gonna for sure support them if I will be capable enough. So yeah, let's feed our Kapiku or capybara. Aw, I really want to have you now. I hope there's a cat for the next pet I could have. So I really do want to have a cat. Okay, what we're gonna do, oh, we can collect this now. Collect. Ayan. So, ang next pala natin is yung 1.1M. Pero wala tayong enough token to get that. Ayan na yung hassle. Um, Ngayon, oh, may yoga tayo, guys. We gotta go to the yoga. Punta tayo ng yoga. 2 minutes from now. Ayan, sakto makikita nyo how itong yoga works. Let's go. And everybody's here. Ta 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 ta. This car is nice too, honestly. Maganda yung parang full uh, upgrade nitong car na to. It's purple. And nakakatuwa. Daradaran daran daran daradaran daran daran daran. Bum bum. Medyo matagal yung 2 minutes ha. So, nakakatuwa kasi may time ako makapaglaro during my work from home days. Kasi, yun nga, kapag nasa office ako, ang hirap talaga. I have to focus more sa trabaho as usual. Para sa pera. Dahil tayo ay surviving people. We are surviving people. We are not meant to be rich. We are not, no, not meant. We should be meant to be rich. Pero, yun nga. Hindi tayo pinanganak mayaman, kumbaga. La 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 choo. Choo choo choo. 20 seconds more, guys. Sorry for waiting. But I really have to get this dahil kasama siya sa quest ko. Ayan na. Yoga class on the beach begins in 13, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, let's go! Yan, kukopyahin lang natin to. Pabam! Ang maganda sa yoga class is the more na mas marami kayo, the more na um, mas malaki yung, ay, shocking. The more, the more na mas malaki yung makukuha nyo na money. Kaso, unfortunately, nagkamali ako doon. We'll see. May kita naman natin lahat ng results later. Kaya mo yan, Paula. Kaya mo yan, Paula. Ayan. Yung moves ko is 43 only dahil hindi maayos. I have 15 participants and so far yung moves, blah, blah. So, yan, 6M. Yan yung nakuha ko. It depends actually kung gaano karami kayo. Minsan 4M lang yan. Pinakamababa kong nakuha is like 2. Ayun. So, it always gonna depends. Kailangan natin mag-treasure dig. Ay, hindi pala yan. Balons. Come on, balons. Ayan, sakto. Meron tayo kasama. Dali. Ah, man. For real? Hindi nyo kami sinama. Bakit? Yan. Dalawa na lang kami tuloy. More people. Come on, more people. Let's go. Tatlo kami, kahit pa paano. Oops. Dararan. Let's go. And then, art sesh. Punta tayo sa art sesh. Coming. Lagay tayo ng coming. La 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 la. Oh man. Still in progress, at least we're here. Okay. Yes! Nakasama ako guys. Dami nila eh. Dalawa lang ba talaga tayo? Ayan. So, ganun din, kailangan mo lang kopyahin, yun yung gameplay nito. Before the end of the time. So, yun lang yun. And then, tapos ka na sa mission mo or sa quest. Ayun. Nakakatuwa, di ba? So, ganun yung look nung may 6M na tayo. Nagganon lang tayo. Minayaran pa tayo. Pero in real world, guys, tayo ang magbabayad para sa event na gusto natin puntahan. Pero hindi tayo binabayaran, di ba? Can you see kung ganito yung reality? Ang saya, di ba? Parang hindi ka stress. Ang talagang trabaho mo is mag-business. Tulad nito, pupunta tayo sa isa nating business. So, ayan. Pupunta tayo sa progress. Nag-yoga lang tayo, nag-balloon tayo, nag-event tayo ng art. Sumaya tayo. And bayad pa tayo. Tapos, ang main mission natin is mag-business. So, ngayon pupunta tayo sa travel business natin. Asan ba ito? Nandun. Pupunta tayo sa travel business natin para mag-collect ng pera dun sa business. Yun lang, kailangan lang natin magpadami ng business sa buhay. Na binabayaran din tayo ng business, di ba? Pero ang daily job mo is seasonal lang. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga seasonal jobs na yun. So, ayan, tulad nito, may to-do lang tayong gagawin. Lalagay lang natin tong mga to, ganyan-ganyan. So, can you imagine kung gaano kasarap ang buhay kung ganito? No one is stressed. Diba? If the reality is just like this, no one will be stressed. People are happy, right? Ganun na. May 1.7M na tayo. Ganun lang kabilis. Lalabas tayo, magta-task, magkakasino. Kasino lang. Ayan, tapos, babalik lang daw tayo ng 7 hours para kolektahan yung pera. Tapos, ayan, tapos na tayo sa mga events. Wait a minute. Ayan, punta na tayo sa daily. Ito yung city jobs natin. Dude, we're just like gonna do, ito, kuha tayo ng isang gagawin just to show. I think I've shown this naman na in my other videos, but we're still gonna share it to those na hindi pa nakakapanood. Ayan, ito lang yung parang seasonal job natin. Magdadrive lang tayo, drop off yung taco hatch thingy, o lalabas ka, tulong ka lang ng paghakot, tapos bayad ka na. Gagawin mo lang yun ng ilang minuto. Diba? Guys, gagawin mo lang yun ng ilang minutes. And then, yun, babalik mo lang yung car. Ay, mali pala yung ay, pwede naman. Hindi tayo daan. Yan nakakatawa. Siguro, in a daily life, boring siya. So, for those people who parang have a lot of interests, baka maging boring kung ganito yung magiging life natin, di ba, in reality. Paulit-ulit mo lang gagawin yung mga bagay-bagay. Pero, guys, anong sa tingin yung mas gusto nyo? Ganitong buhay o stressful na buhay na parang surviving ka? Di ba parang mas okay na yung ganito? Happy ka? You have the money. Ayun, so ganun lang. And then binayaran na tayo. So there's a lot of things pa here. Ayan, to handle more. And yeah, this is basically it. This is the gameplay. So, by the way guys, dito pala sa events, yun, I was able to be top 1. So, pag na-complete mo to, for 15 hours na lang pala siya. Hindi ko kinaya. So, it will go back. So, after 15 hours, pag natapos to, tapos na rin yung tournament. Ang sad. Kasi hirap ako ngayon dahil, ewan ko, for some reason, na experience ko na maging top, ito kasi yon parang every time na matapos tong event na to, may panibago ulit and you'll given like you'll be given a certain hours. So, tulad dito, 4 hours. After ng 4 hours na yan, may panibago na namang tournament. So, I was able to, for some reason, na sa kakalaro ko din, kinaya ko talaga na mag-top 1. So, nabigyan ako ng, ng reward. Pero once na nakuha mo yung 3 consecutively, ito yung makukuha mo sa kanila na panalo. So, nakakatuwa kasi you have parang goal to do so. But unfortunately, right now, parang hirap ako. Ayun, sa ngayon, 11th ako. Ayan o, pang 11 tayo. Meron ka rin naman makukuha depending sa kung saan kang pwesto. Like, for example, ako currently naka 11 ako and 67 tokens naman makukuha ko. Ganyan. Pero syempre, if you're top 1, mas malaki. And you will be given yung badge nito. Pero right now, hindi ako makapag-ganyan kasi wala akong enough token anyway. Hindi ako makakalaro. So, I have to like wait for yung mga ganito to collect mga profits, ganyan. Ito, ano ba to? Ayan, may nakuha tayo. Aww. Tapos, yan. What else? What else? What else? Uy, we have a friend, buddy. Add lang natin yan. Add lang tayo ng add ng maraming friend dito sa store yung ads. Ayun. Nakakatuwa na they given ads para at least kahit paano ma-enjoy ng mga players yung bagay-bagay. Kasi kung talagang aasa lang sa laro, sa game, ito naman, pag natapos mo na tong mga to, like tulad dito, yung mga business mo, and here, parang may certain hours kang i-wait ulit para ano yun. Uy, ang galing oh. Dahil gumagabi na, nawawala yung sun, tapos look at the shadows. Nakakatuwa. Sadly, walang sun, no? Hindi ko makita yung sun. There's a stars here, though, which is nice. Kasi, in real world, guys, may nakikita po ba kayong diamonds? Diamonds. Stars pala. Stars. Kasi sa area namin, wala talaga, ang rare ko nang makita ng mga stars unlike before. Sa sobrang daming, ano yan, daming pollution and bahay na. Nawawala na yung mga stars. Ang sad. But thankfully, nakikita ko pa rin naman yung moon. Bakit hindi? Ayun, may pera na pala tayo, may cash na tayo. So, I'm thinking to go. Kaya pa ba? May mabibili ba tayo dito? May bago pala akong ano. Bago ko tapusin yung video na to kasi ay almost like half an hour recording. Ito yung bago nating business na kailangan gawin. Comic Zone Shop. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Tapos, ito nakakatuwa oh. Ang laki niya, di ba? So, come with me to actually create stuff here. Ayan, so mas malinis na tayo, guys. Wala nang mga basura. Ay, ito pa pala. Saan ba to? Dito ba yan? Ayan. Ay! Well, at least may upuan na tayo. Tinitingnan ko muna. Gusto ko muna tanggalin yung mga basura. Dito ba siya? Hindi. Saan yun? Saan yung basura? Ito ba yun? Ayan! Mas okay na siya. Gusto ko muna yung interior looks. Ano to? Bakit may ganito pa din? Ano gagawin dyan? Nakaka Nakakapagtaka may ganyan pa din. Tagalin na natin yan. Saan yan? Nakakaloka. Dito ba siya? Ito ba dapat yung kailangan nating ayusin? What? Akala ko comics to, mga comics. Pero mukhang apparel. Eh? Is this even an apparel? Uy, nag-level up tayo. At least nakita nyo nag-level up ako. Uy, meron na tayo. May 180 na tayo. Na tokens. Magagamit natin yan to play. Teka, teka, teka. Aha. Gusto ko itong matanggal. Pero paano natin matatanggal yan? Ayoko na ng kalat eh. Pero saan siya? Saan siya, guys? Unless meron talagang ganon. Impossible. How can we remove that trash? Yo, ano yung i-upgrade natin ha? Ano? Like where? Mukha talagang apparel to. Ah, wait. What? So, ibig sabihin, hindi eh. Parang ito gusto ko unahin. Para kahit pa paano naman yung look okay na. Welcome. Welcome. Ito to, dito tayo. Ah, last day. Char. Naalala ko yung The Last of Us. Ano siya? Comics ba siya? Pero ba't may t-shirt? Uy, tapos na natin. Nakakatawa naman. Anong next natin gagawin? Ito na nga lang. Bug ba yan? Kakaloka. Tingnan mo. May kalat pa rin. Is that a bug? O, isa na lang. 9M. Kaya pa. Let's go. Oh, anything more? Nothing. Nada. Now, let's go with this one. Last day. Nakakatuwa. Ah, 5M na lang tayo. Lahat 8 eh. We cannot. We cannot. At least this is so far yung na-upgrade natin sa store natin for how many? I guess a day of doing a lot of levels and hard work. Ayun guys, so I believe nasa 30 minutes na tayo na gameplay and I don't want, you know, masyadong mabigat or mahabang watching sa inyo. Pero ayun, minax ko talaga na 30 minutes per laro ko ng Sunday City yung record. Para lang makita nyo yung progress ko. So far, ilan na yung business natin. Check natin. Uh, job track. Ay, hindi pala to. Sorry. Sa business. My biz. Ayan. So far, we're on how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan. Pang-anim na natin to. And there's a lot more. Look at that. There's a lot more. And we're just still on the 6th business. At least nag-progress na tayo and we're like um on our 300 plus level. So happy with that. And the fact that I was able na makapag-invest ng new avatar for my character. I look a bit classy now. And for me to be able to invest for a new car as well, which is a little bit of, with the speed. Ganito yung itsura niya. So yeah, I guess that's it for today's video. I hope we'll see each other again by the next, and I'm so excited to be able to share my progress on that next video. So yeah, see you again for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video, y'all. And yeah, thank you. I hope you guys are doing okay as well with your daily lives, and have a good one.